Introducing Bild Certified PMVA training from the Health and Safety Group. The Health and Safety Group has launched a unique PMVA training program certified by Bild Act as fully aligned to the Restraint Reduction Network training standards. Not only does our PMVA training program meet all statutory restrictive training requirements, but it also offers accessible training to all healthcare professionals, with a particular emphasis on catering to agency healthcare workers and recruitment agencies across the UK. In fact, the Health and Safety Group is currently the only provider of nationwide Bild Act certified PMVA open courses that are suitable and accessible for agency healthcare workers to attend. But what are the RRN training standards? Pre-2019, several high-profile cases were identified that involved unnecessary and dangerous use of restrictive interventions in healthcare settings. Some of these cases resulted in serious injury and even death. As a result, the NHS commissioned the RRN to develop appropriate restrictive practice training standards focusing on prevention, de-escalation, and human rights. What does Bild Act certified mean? Bild Association of Certified Training certifies training services as compliant with RRN training standards. This means that the Health and Safety Group have done the hard work to reach certified status so that you can have the peace of mind of knowing your PMVA training is 100% compliant. Under the Use of Force Act 2018, training that complies with the RRN training standards is a legal requirement for NHS commissioned and Care Quality Commission services providing care for those with learning disabilities, autism, or mental health conditions. Also, NHS purchasing organisations like Health Trust Europe and Workforce Alliance have updated the training criteria for candidates working in specialist commissioned healthcare provisions, stating that all restrictive training from the 1st of January 2023 must be certificated against the RRN training standards. PMVA training with the Health and Safety Group enables individual healthcare professionals and recruitment agencies to access framework-compliant, nationwide Bild Act certified training, fulfilling these requirements. So, what can you expect when attending PMVA training with the Health and Safety Group? You will learn about the key theoretical modules in primary and secondary interventions to ensure you can offer positive behavioural support to manage challenging behaviour for the settings you work in. Then, you'll learn the physical intervention skills needed to de-escalate and diffuse situations with minimal use of restraint. How does it work? As set out in the RRN training standards, there are different training populations, each requiring different core training competencies. When booking, candidates will select the correct level of training from a detailed training needs analysis. This enables your course to be tailored to meet all candidate training requirements, ensuring compliance is achieved for the correct training population. There are two types of PMVA training courses available to book now with the Health and Safety Group: a 3-day course and a 1-day refresher course. You'll be required to complete the full 3-day course every 3 years and top up your skills in between with a 1-day refresher course to ensure your core competencies are still being met. All candidates need to have an appropriate level of face-to-face life support training in the event a medical emergency may arise. Booking with us is easy. If you're an agency or employer, you can book singular places onto open courses across the UK via the company agency login on our website. Or we can come to your organisation and train up to 18 staff members at once. Just fill in the short form on the group booking page on our website and we will get back to you with a quote within 2 working hours. If you're an independent healthcare professional, book your PMVA training with us now by clicking on the yellow Book Now button next to the date and venue you would like to attend. If you have any questions, get in touch with our friendly team today. Email inquiries@hs-group.com or call us on 0203 5513 886.